You will have better relationships when you are willing to tell the truth about your present moment experience rather than trying to be who you think people need you to be. Resmaa Menakem, many of you have read My Grandmother's Hands. He talks about the difference between clean pain and dirty pain. And I want to emphasize here, I want to highlight his work and emphasize this definition that he has, the difference between clean pain and dirty pain. The way it lives in me right now is truth sometimes hurts. Sometimes when we tell the truth about something, it's not what people want to hear. They are distressed by a truth. But the kind of pain and the kind of distress that comes from looking at a truth head on and having someone tell you the truth is clean pain. Healing and strength will come from that pain. Dirty pain is about the maintenance of an illusion or a lie. It's about telling people what you think they want to hear in the short term, but you're sacrificing yourself and it's dishonest and it's not grounded in a truth. It will create confusion, distress, all kinds of issues. And that we think of that as dirty pain. It's not worthwhile pain. Clean pain is worthwhile pain. And it can be a helpful distinction if you're working with codependency and empathy and when I abandon myself and where my boundaries are. The reason we don't tell people the truth about something is because we're managing their feelings. We're attempting to manage and control their feelings. We're attempting to manage and control their experience. And I can't tell you how many times I hear people say, I want to blah, 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 so that they don't feel fill in the blank, so that they don't get upset, so that they don't feel angry, so that they don't feel hurt. This piece, if you catch yourself, so that they don't feel, check yourself. That's one of the places where you might be needing some work. To the degree, let's do the upside of so that they don't feel, to the degree that you're really just caring empathically about the impact on other people. And you're really wanting to be thoughtful around how this thing you're about to do or say will impact others. And you're not wanting to do unnecessary harm or create unnecessary suffering. And you want to be really mindful and choiceful that you're delivering a truth in the kindest way possible. Great. But if that sentence, so that they don't feel, points to a part of you that doesn't want to feel, doesn't trust yourself to field other people's emotions, bookmark that space in your own personal growth journey as a place where you could use some more emotional strength.